Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, find the units digit in 729 raised to 59. So what is the given question? You have to find out what is the unit digit in 729 raised to 59. So now I am going to discuss a very important shortcut for doing these kind of problems. So whenever the power of an odd number comes, here 729 raised to 59. So power is 59 and the base number is 729. So whenever the base number is odd, you have to find out which power of the base number will give unit digit is equal to 1. Okay. So which power of the base number will be giving unit digit is equal to 1. That should be your aim. Whenever the base number is an odd number, you have to find out which power of the base number will be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So 729. So 729 square, what will be the unit digit? 9 into 9 is equal to 81. So 729 square will be giving unit digit is equal to 1. So for this question, we found out the power within a single step because square itself, 729 square itself is giving the unit digit is equal to 1. So once you get unit digit is equal to 1, all the multiples of that particular power also will be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So here the meaning is 729 square is giving you unit digit is equal to 1. Or power is equal to 2 is giving you the unit digit is equal to 1. So all multiples of 2, all powers which are multiples of 2 also will be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So this is an important thing you have to remember. So whenever a power of a particular base number is giving you unit digit is equal to 1, all the powers which are multiples of this particular power also will be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So here 2 is the power, 729 square is equal to 1. So 2 is the power which is giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So it means that all the multiples of 2, all the powers which are multiples of 2 will also be giving you unit digit is equal to 1. So it means that 729 raised to 4 also will be ending in 1. Then 729 raised to 6 also will be having unit digit is equal to 1. Or whatever 729 raised to 1000. 1000 is an even multiple or 1000 is a multiple of 2. So 729 raised to 1000 will be having a unit digit is equal to 1. So you found out that much. Here you have to find out what is 729 raised to 59. How can you split up 729 raised to 59? 729 raised to 58 into 729. So 729 raised to 58 will be ending in 1. All the even powers of 729 will be ending in 1. So 1 into 9. It will be giving you 9 in the units digit. So once you understood that all the even powers of 729 will be giving 1 in the unit digit, then you can easily split up whatever be the question given, you can split up it as an even power into 729. So even power will be having 1 in the unit digit. So that into 729 means 1 into 9 will be coming in the units digit or 9 will be coming in the units digit. Now second question, find the number in the unit place of 623 raised to 56, 623 raised to 58 and 623 raised to 59. So you are asked to find out the unit digit of 623 raised to 56, then 623 raised to 58 and 623 raised to 59. So 623 is the base number here. So base number is an odd number. So your first step is to find out the power of 623 which will be giving a unit digit in 1. So how to find out 623? What about 623 square? 623 square will be having 3 square. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 in the units digit. Then 623 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 7 will be there in the unit digit. Then 623 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. So 623 raised to 4 will be having 1 in the unit digit. So that is the first step. You have to find out which power of 623 will be giving 1 in the unit digit. So here 4 is the power that is giving 1 in the unit digit. So that means all the powers of 623 which are multiples of 4 will also be giving 1 in unit digit. So 623 raised to 8 or 623 raised to 1000 or 623 raised to 1200, all the powers which are multiples of 4 also will be giving 1 in unit digit. So what about 623 raised to 56? 56 is a multiple of 4. So 623 raised to 56 also will be giving 1 in unit digit. So you found out the answer to the first part of the question. 623 raised to 56. So since 56 is a product of 4, all the multiples of 4, the powers which are multiples of 4 will be giving 1 in unit digit. So without any doubt you can easily say 623 raised to 56 also will be giving 1 in unit digit. Then what about 623 raised to 58? So that you have to split up and write in terms of nearest multiples of 4. So 623 raised to 58 can be written as 623 raised to 56 into 623 square. So this 623 raised to 56 will be having 1 in unit digit and 623 square will be having 9 in unit digit. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So totally 623 raised to 58 will be having 9 in unit digit. So you got the answer to your second part of the question also. Now third part will be what is 623 raised to 59. So 623 raised to 59 means you will be having, already you are having 623 raised to 58. So 623 raised to 58 into 623. 623 raised to 58 is having 9 in unit digit and this will be 9 into 3. 623 is having 3 in the unit digit. So totally you will be getting 7 in units place for 623 raised to 59. So in this way you can easily find out any power of 623. Suppose your question is 623 raised to 61. So you can write it as 623 raised to 60 into 623. 623 raised to 60 being a multiple of 4. 60 is a multiple of 4. So 623 raised to 60 will be having 1 in the units digit. So that into 623. So you will be having 3 in unit digit for 623 raised to 61. So in this way you can find out any power of 623 by using the same principle. So first step you have to determine which power of 623. First, for the first time, which power of 623 gives you 1 in the unit digit. Then every multiple of that particular power also will be giving you 1 in the unit digit. So here the answer is for 623 raised to 56 you are having 1 in the unit digit, and for 623 raised to 58 you are having 9 in unit digit, and 623 raised to 59 you are having 7 in unit place. Now one more question, find unit digit in 37 raised to 105. So what is the unit digit of 37 raised to 105? So you have to find out which power of 37 is giving a unit digit in 1. So 37 square, 7 into 7 is equal to 49. So 9 will be there in the unit place. Then what about 37 cube? 9 into 7, 63. So 3 will be coming in the unit place. Then again 37 raised to 4 means 3 is coming in 37 cube. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Or 1 will be coming in the unit place when 37 is raised to the power of 4. So what you can infer from that? All the powers which are multiples of 4 also will be ending in 1. All powers of 37 which are multiples of 4 also will be ending in 1. So 37 raised to 105 you have to split up in terms of multiples of 4. So 104 is a multiple of 4. So 37 raised to 105 can be written as 37 raised to 104 into 37. So 37 raised to 104 will be ending in 1. Since 104 is a multiple of 4, all the powers of 37 which are multiples of 4 will be ending in 1. So 1 into 7. So what will be your answer? 7 will come in the units place of 37 raised to 105. Thank you for watching.